Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI chatbot which has different AI models in it. So you can change whatever the models you want for your content writing. And also important option is that it has having option called upload your research paper, that is like chat with PDF. So you can upload your research paper and you can analyze the research paper. And also the important thing is that you can upload the image and you get the explanation of that particular image for your research paper. So these are the important things available in this particular AI chatbot. So let us go on to today's video and explore with some of the research prompts and how this AI tool will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online workshop on research paper writing using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT, and we are going to that is bring a best content out of it for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. Make your research paper writing simple using different AI tools. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss is that 𝐸𝐸w.ai. So you can pronounce whatever you want. This is 𝐸𝐸w.ai chat. So human assistant powered by the most advanced AI. So here this is the dashboard of this AI tool. So here you can see that. So these are the options available. So here you can use this GPT 3.5 model. So and then you can see that in this advanced chat, so you can see, so you can upload the file, so and you can get the analysis, and also here you can see this is for 3.5. so next here you can see that for GPT 4, so you can also upload your file, so you can upload your PDF file and you can analyze the paper. And then important option is that next image chat, so you can upload image and it is powered by GPT 4. That is very important. So because GPT 4 will analyze the image as like human and it will generate a better answer for you. That is the important specialty in GPT 4. So let us explore this chatbot with some of the research prompts we will have. So first I am going to give an input prompt like. So here I am going to give an input prompt, generate an abstract for the paper titled. So here I am going to give a management related topic. So framework on performance management in automotive industry, a case study. So this is the paper I am going to give. So in about 250 words. So that is very important. So after that give enter. So let us see how this chatbot will generate answers for us. So here you can see that yes, our chatbot is generating answer. The paper presents a comprehensive framework for performance management tailored to the unique challenges and requirements of the automotive industry. So next, the framework is designed to address the complexities and managing performance in a sector characterized by rapid technological advancement, global competition and evolving consumer demands. So like that it is generating a detailed abstract what we have asked for. So in this you can see another option is called default. So you can give it as a tone, that is you can change the tone accordingly for your research paper. So here you can give professional, informal, formal, whatever you want. You can give empathetic, optimistic, pessimistic, luxurious, warm, authoritative, trial, musk. So like the different options are available. So you can give anything you want. So this is how you can generate abstract using this tool. So after that what I am going to do is I am going to copy and paste 5 random references. So in the same paper I am going to copy 5 different references. So let us see whether this will generate our literature review or not. So what you can do is you can copy the references here. So I am going to copy the 5 different references. So copy the references and paste here and give an input that. So here I have given literature, asked for a literature review on the 5 different methods of that particular paper. So for that here you can see that the literature review is generating with the proper citation. So this is the first paper. So here improving management function. So next one is marketing research and sustainable performance assessment. So this is the next paper. So like that, for individual we have copy and pasted a 5 different reference paper. So for that 5 different reference paper, it will categorize it and it will generate content for us. So it will be very helpful for us to make a literature review using this 𝐮𝐬𝐴. So you can make use of this option. So here if you need any additional specification or information, so you can give to generate the content. So this is the input prompt I have given. From this you can get a clear idea. These are the references. So here from the above references, generate a literature review with proper citation. So this is how your literature review will be generated using this AI tool. So like that, you can make use of this option to generate a better content using this AI tool. So this is how you can generate content using this 𝐮𝐬𝐴. So you can use this for free. That is very important. So I will show you that. So just here you can have access to all the different models in this 𝐮EU chat. So just to click on this. So here you can see that GPT 3.5 we are using, fast responder speed, capable of reading files and analyzing data. It is free. So you can use it for free. So next to this, that you can use this one, optimized for chat scenarios, ensuring smooth conversation. So you can use this model also, 𝐝𝐨𝐿ARK model. So it is also for free. So for free you can access these 2 models. So in order to go for that is next another models, you have to go for subscription option. So here you can see that 𝐸NI 4.0 or Cloud 3. So GPT 4, in order to go for GPT 4, especially recognizing images, you can use GPT 4. So you have to go for subscription option. So other than that, you can access this chatbot for free. So you can generate better content using these 2 models itself. Let us see whether this 𝐝𝐿ARK will generate, how this 𝐝𝐿ARK will generate content for us. So I am going to give a same prompt here. Here you can see that in this 𝐝𝐿ARK 2 model, so I have given the same that is prompt here. So generate an abstract for the paper title. Even I have given the same thing here. So here you can see that how this content is generated. So here you can see, I can say you can prefer GPT 3.5. It will generating a better abstract, as we have experienced already with GPT 3.5. So you can use GPT 3.5. So if you want a different and unique content, so you can use this 𝐝𝐿ARK. So it is not generating a very perfectly blend content. So here you can see that. So if you go on explore, as I have not familiar with this managerial topic, so you can go on and explore with this. So let us try with my own electrical domain topic. In order to explore this 𝐝𝐿ARK model, I have given my own topic, my own domain title related with electrical engineering. So here you can see that grid connected PV system for electric vehicle charging station are becoming increasingly popular as a sustainable solution of charging vehicles. So like that it will generating. So my suggestion is to go to GPT 3.5 to generate a better content for you. So this is how you can use this 𝐮EU to generate better content for your research paper. So you can choose this 3.5 model. It is for free. So next one is that here you can see that you can upload your paper here. So here just click on the file. So you can upload any paper you want. So here I am going to upload this paper. So it will be uploaded. So here you can give your input prompt, summarize the paper, like that you can give. So it will take several seconds to generate. It will value that paper, it will analyze the paper, and it will give summary of that particular paper. So this is how you can upload the paper and you will get that is content from that particular paper. So whenever you are doing literature review, so here you can upload this paper and you can analyze the paper better. So here you can see that. So this is how it is generated, as we have asked for summary. So the better option is that, so you can give an input prompt section wise, so thereby it will generate a content. So it is just what it will say. So the paper title and what the main objective of the paper, that is only is generated using this AI tool. So you can use this AI chatbot to upload your paper, or else you can go for better option. If you need better option, so you can go with this GPT 4 model. So but the GPT 4 model you have to go for subscription option. So this is how you can use this 𝐮EU. So here you can see that. So as far plans and pricing is concerned, so this is how these are the things as a member, as a non-member, these are the different options available. So you can upgrade to paid plan, so you can click on upgrade. So this is the pricing option. So this is the basic plan, so at $9.9 per month. So next standard plan at $19.9 per month. So next plus plan is $39.9 per month. So this is how these plans are available. So you can access GPT-4 models and also the other models available in this chatbot. That is, so here you can see that Cloud 2 𝐴𝐴 4.0. So all the models can be accessed using this subscription option. So go on and check with your free that is free chat. So and you can give an input research prompt, better research prompt, and generate a better content for your research paper. So this is all about this 𝐲𝐸. So hope this video bring an aware about this 𝐲𝐸 chat. So make use of this option and make your research content better using this 𝐲𝐸. So hope this video will be helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.